Are you considering Ally Bank for your financial needs? With the recent economic climate and banking industry shifts, it's natural to wonder, is Ally Bank safe? Let's dive deep into that question and explore the factors that contribute to its safety and security. Ally Bank, formerly known as Ally Financial, has emerged as a prominent online bank, offering a range of financial products like savings accounts, checking accounts, and CDs. But as with any financial institution, it's crucial to assess its safety and security. In this video, we'll delve into the key factors that make Ally Bank a reliable choice for your money. 1. FDIC insurance. Understanding FDIC insurance, explain what FDIC insurance is and how it protects your deposits. Ally Bank's FDIC coverage. Clarify that Ally Bank is a member of the FDIC, ensuring your deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor, per ownership category, per insured bank. How FDIC insurance works. Describe the process of how FDIC insurance protects your money in case of bank failure. 2. Financial stability. Ally Bank's strong financial position. Discuss Ally Bank's solid financial performance, including its capital ratios and profitability. Regulatory oversight. Highlight the rigorous regulatory oversight that Ally Bank is subject to, ensuring compliance with banking standards. Proven track record. Reference Ally Bank's history and its ability to withstand economic downturns. 3. Cybersecurity measures. Robust security systems. Explain the advanced security measures Ally Bank employs to protect your account information, such as encryption, firewalls, and fraud monitoring. Data privacy. Discuss Ally Bank's commitment to data privacy and its adherence to data protection regulations. Account security tips. Provide practical tips to enhance your account security, including strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and regular monitoring. 4. Customer reviews and ratings. Positive customer feedback. Share positive reviews and ratings from Ally Bank customers, highlighting their satisfaction with the bank's services and customer support. Addressing negative feedback. Discuss any negative feedback and how Ally Bank has responded to customer concerns. The importance of research. Encourage viewers to conduct their own research and read reviews from various sources. 5. Comparing Ally Bank to traditional banks. Pros and cons of online banking. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of online banking compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Ally Bank's competitive edge. Highlight Ally Bank's competitive interest rates, fee-free services, and excellent customer service. Choosing the right bank for you. Provide guidance on factors to consider when selecting a bank, such as your financial needs, lifestyle, and risk tolerance. By considering these factors, it's clear that Ally Bank is a safe and reliable choice for your financial needs. Its FDIC insurance, strong financial position, robust security measures, and positive customer reviews contribute to its overall safety and security. However, it's essential to remember that no bank is entirely risk-free. Always stay informed, monitor your accounts regularly, and take proactive steps to protect your financial information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.